So if we bust out the handy dandy calculator and type in 486,000 impressions, and let's say that we get 1% of 1%, right? So 0.01% of people actually convert. We'll go to 0.001. That would be 486 people, right? And then if we multiply that by $2.40 per conversion, right? That's possible that we could earn What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with your boy. Welcome if you are new here. Welcome to the Baby Shirt Gang, where we literally go over the best ways to make money on the internet. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you can get $2 payments like this, like this, like this, and like this, literally in seconds, using this strategy that I promise you, you have probably never seen before. In today's strategy, we're literally gonna talk about something that we've never talked about, but it is a little bit complicated, so make sure you do hang out with us for the next 10 minutes or so, because like I've always said, if you can't watch a 10-minute video, you're probably never gonna make money online. So huge shout out to our last two winners here and here for being the first commenter on our video and for getting our daily riddle correct. And today's riddle, since you guys have been loving them so much, is what kind of room has no doors or windows? And the first person to comment on this video and the first person to get the answer to the riddle correct down below will be the lucky winner of a completely free $2,000 course. So congratulations to our last two winners and good luck to everybody on this video. Now, before we actually get into the content, which is gonna be super awesome, guys, make sure you do two quick favors. I'm doing a lot of work going out, figuring out all these methods, doing a bunch of research and everything about how to bring these methods to you guys so you can make money from anywhere in the world with no experience necessary. So the least you could do, if you would be so kind, is tap the little like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us show this video to other people, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Why? So that you can be our next lucky winner by being the first commenter on our next video. And so without further ado, guys, let's jump into my computer, and I'm literally gonna show you step by step how you can start earning $2 payments every few seconds, literally with zero work on your part, 100% passive income, literally just by connecting the dots. So let's get into my computer and get started. All right, guys, welcome into my computer. So as you can see right here, you can actually make $2.48 every single time somebody clicks. And I'm gonna be talking about exactly how this works. But the cool thing is you don't have to go out and do a bunch of work or do anything like that. Literally what you're gonna do is connect the dots, show a ton of impressions of this actual offer that's very, very low friction. What do I mean by low friction? I mean something that people actually want, right? Because what we're talking about today is actually one of the easiest and best ways to make money as a beginner, because you don't have a bunch of friction involved in the actual process. What we're gonna be talking about today is actually called CPA marketing. And a big shout out to a young up and coming YouTuber investor. He's who I actually saw this idea from. So shout out to you, man. Keep killing it, and everybody go make sure you check out his channel. But basically what CPA marketing is you actually get somebody to give their information in the form of their name, their email, and things like that to some other provider that knows their numbers and metrics so well, they're willing to pay just for an email address, right? So all you do is connect a free offer, like a free $1,000 PayPal gift card or a free $100 to the Google Play Store, and somebody signs up by giving their email to that actual website, and you get paid, right? So you connect somebody who wants a free gift card, they give that gift card provider their email, and you get paid every time you refer a lead to that actual offer, right? So what we're gonna be doing is connecting the dots between a free offer, like a $1,000 free PayPal gift card, and people who want that and are willing to give their email for it. And every time a person and a new person gives their email to try to win that free $1,000 PayPal gift card, you get paid, right? And so how are we gonna do this? Well, there's two different sides involved, right? There's the side where you're actually going to advertise, and then there's the side where you're actually going to pick an offer that you think converts, right? So the first site that we're actually gonna be talking about is the CPA network. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, a CPA network has thousands of different offers that are willing to pay every time someone signs up. Now, why is this different from affiliate marketing? Well, generally, affiliate marketing, you only get paid if somebody actually pays for another product and actually signs up, gives their credit card, which is a lot of friction, right? The cool thing about CPA marketing is you get paid just when somebody gives their email for free, which is so much less friction, which means so many more people are actually gonna sign up, which means you're going to get a lot more actual referral commission commissions in CPA marketing versus affiliate marketing, where somebody actually has to buy something, which is a lot harder. So this is actually a website called Affplus, right? There's a lot of different CPA networks out there, like Max Bounty, Affplus. There's so many different ones that, you know, I'm not gonna just name them all. But the cool thing is, oh, and there's actually an ad for Max Bounty right here. It's kind of funny. Another one right here. So you guys can see right here that they have latest offers. They also have hot verticals, dating, health, CPI, crypto, right? What we're gonna be talking about is make money, right? And so what I like to do is literally search for the word PayPal, because it's very, very easy to get somebody to give their email address and information for the chance of winning a free PayPal gift card. So you guys can see right here that they have some sponsored listings. Generally what I like to do is just kind of take a look at some of these. You can see right here that, you know, it was updated 4 hours ago. You can see the actual network, creative clicks right here. They have 2,000 offers. They were founded in 2009, right? You can see CPA build right here. They have 1,100 offers, founded in 2017. So let's take a look at one of these. You guys can see right here, S&P PayPal 1,000. So what we can do is we can join the network, we can share it, we can see the payout, right? This particular one, every time somebody actually signs up and gives their free email address, name, and information, you get $2.40. And you might be saying to yourself, but Kevin, how am I gonna get people to sign up for this? Well, we're gonna talk about that in just a second, so don't go anywhere. And if you guys are liking the video so far, do me a quick favor and comment down below passive income. And if we get 500 people that comment passive income and we get 2,000 likes on this video, then I'll actually drop a completely free, never before seen video next week that's going to be a crazy follow-up that's gonna make you guys a ton more money actually doing this strategy. So if we actually click preview here, what we can see is you can see complete 4 deals and get a $100 Google Play gift card, right? Status available. And so what you can see is, you know, people can click yes here. They can see information about their gift card and things like that. And so basically every time somebody actually fills out this information, they basically are going to have the opportunity to get paid, right? So all they have to do is give their email address, very easy, very frictionless, completely free for people to fill out. And every time somebody enters their email here, right, you get paid $2.40, right? And that might not seem like a lot, but if you get 100 people to do that, right, that's $240 literally for 0 work. And I'm gonna break down the math here in a second. So how do we actually get people to click on this offer, right? Because I mean, it's possible that you could go around, tell your friends, tell your family, post about it on social media, but you're probably only gonna get a few clicks. The way that you actually scale this is by using digital marketing, right? And so if we actually go to another site right here, it's called Ad Clerks. And you can see right here, there's 2 different sections. You can buy ads online and you can sell ad space. So you can see right here, there's a bunch of different websites out there that list the number of impressions that they actually get and how much it costs to advertise on that actual website for a month, right? So 486,000 people, you know, visit this site a month. You can see that it costs $40 to actually advertise on that site. So if we bust out the handy dandy calculator and type in 486,000 impressions, and let's say that we get 1% of 1%, right? So 0.01% of people actually convert. We'll go to 0.001. That would be 486 people, right? And then if we multiply that by $2.40 per conversion, right? That's possible that we could earn $1,166 in a month, minus the $40 that it actually costs to advertise it, which means that we would net, you know, potentially $1,126. Now, is it gonna work every time? Not necessarily. Some of them are definitely gonna be better than others, right? You know, this one is nutritional dieting. So if you want, you know, you can take this to the next level and go after websites that are about nutrition, and then you can come into, you know, the Affplus marketplace here, and you can actually type in nutrition. And now you can see that there's a bunch of different offers for actual nutrition here, where there's nutrition plans. You know, the CPA is actually much higher for some of these. And so what I would recommend you do is try to make it as relevant as possible for your target market, right? You can go find a dating site on Ad Clerks. You can choose a dating offer on the CPA, right? So we can come in here and click dating. We can sort this by relevance, and we can see right here, Daniela dating chat. Some of these are kind of goofy, but $2.50. Here's another one right here, $6.60 per referral, right? And then we can come back over to Ad Clerks here, and we can actually type in something about dating. And see if they have any websites related to dating here. You know, some of these are a little bit low, but you guys kind of get the idea, right? You can look for things that are related, where you're actually going to buy impressions and ad space on these websites. And then what you're gonna do is find a close match on the Affplus actual website. And then all you have to do is just come in here and you can actually pick up this landing page right here, and you can add it to cart, right? You can get estimated impressions, 118,000, right? You can see right here per 30 days, you can see the target market, and you can see that it actually breaks down into Indonesia, United States, India. Now, usually with affiliate marketing, it's better to have a higher percentage of places like the USA, Australia, Canada, UK, things like that. But with CPA marketing, right, it really doesn't matter because they're not actually buying anything and you can still get paid, right? So sometimes people from other countries are actually more willing and more likely to sign up for these things, which means that you have a higher likelihood of actually getting paid. So all you have to do is add to cart and pick this up. And then basically what you do is inside of your CPA network here. So let's go back to the one that we were talking about before. Click PayPal here. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to sort by relevance. And let's actually pick one up. Let's do this one right here. Then all we would do is actually, you can find more details and reviews if you want, or you can actually join the network and grab your unique link, right? And then all you do is you put your unique link inside of the advertisement once you add it to cart for the one that you pick. And then what's gonna happen is that website, right, this website right here that gets 486,000 impressions is going to place an ad on their website, that you create. And then whenever somebody clicks that, it's gonna be your unique CPA link for this offer for somebody to get a free gift card. And then every time somebody actually gives their email on this landing page, you get paid $2.40 every single time, right? So even if just 1% of those people actually convert, right, you could still make potentially, over $1,000 over a 30-day period. And the cool thing is, once you get better and you find websites, that actually have high quality traffic, you can find things that are super related, like nutrition with nutrition CPA offers, with nutrition websites, or dating offers with dating websites, or make money online offers with make money online websites. And the better that you get at this, obviously the better conversions it's gonna be. And the cool thing is this is completely passive. So hopefully a lot of you guys are getting this. If you are, comment down below passive income. Again, if we get 500 comments that say passive income and 2,000 likes on this video, we'll drop something crazy next week. And for those of you who didn't know, we actually have 2 additional YouTube channels. The Top 25 podcast channel, the Kevin David Experience, where we interview awesome entrepreneurs, and also More Kevin David, where we go live every single week and answer your questions live about the best ways to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to both of those down below. And for people who are here, remember, this is just a way to get started. If you're looking for a serious way to actually make money on the internet, check out the first link down below in the description. There's no question, it's the best way in the world to actually start making passive income online, but it's not gonna be around forever, guys, so make sure you do click that right now. You can actually sign up for a completely free one-on-one strategy session with my actual team, where you can talk to somebody on the phone and get a custom plan tailored for you. But again, those spots do fill up quick, so make sure you check out the first link in the description. Or if you guys want to watch more videos just like this one on this YouTube channel, then we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.